Dual Recycle Guard is a patented, one-of-a-kind add-on filtration system that protects AC service equipment. It's the single best insurance your shop could have. And with Dual Recycle Guard, you can draw refrigerant from the high and low side at the same time without having to disconnect and reconnect hoses from your machine. Here's the setup. Hoses that would normally connect to the vehicle connect to the Dual Recycle Guard. Then, hoses go from the Recycle Guard to the vehicle. When recovering an AC system, the knob on the Dual Recycle Guard is pointed down to filter. So debris, oil, and sealants and other contaminants traveling with the refrigerant will run from the vehicle through the unique filtration system where it's trapped, allowing only clean refrigerant to enter the machine. For vacuum and recharge mode, you turn the knob to bypass. This allows the machine to interact directly with the vehicle and bypass the filters and canister. Once you switch to bypass mode, you can begin the vacuum stage. At this point, you can drain and measure the amount of oil in the canister to make sure the correct amount will be injected. Depending on your injector, you can inject oil back after the vacuum phase or after the system is fully charged, making sure you're still in bypass, charge the vehicle, and you're done. Bottom line, nothing else protects your machine and keeps you up and running year-round like Dual Recycle Guard. All types of contaminants get trapped, refrigerant flow is maintained, the Dual Recycle Guard is easily drained, and the filters are replaceable. We invite you to make life easier and more profitable by picking up the award-winning Dual Recycle Guard. Visit AIRSEPT.com for more info.